Righty then folks, here we are on the next part. I think this is part 4. A little bit more progress. Let me just take you round and show you where we're at. We've got a rainy, thundery day outside, so the best place is in here, pottering about and working away. So these are the larger of the IKEA cabinets, obviously matching. These are just dry fitted in at the moment, and the guest bed and seating is dry fitted at the moment as well. So managed that corner. I had a nightmare with that corner with the AccuPanel. This AccuPanel is brilliant, but there are moments where it can be very difficult to work with. So this is where we're at. This you've all seen before. There's a diesel heater under there. So there's going to be, once this has got the top on and fixed and cushions, there will be another cabinet going up there. I'm all about storage in this build. Storage is the priority. There's my escape hatch, which will be hidden in case there's any problems in the future and I need to get going very quickly. So the bed, it's going to be an IKEA bed, is going to go there. This paneling will go around, and then the kitchen pod here, and there'll be paneling across the back there, but there'll be a pull down cinema screen. And then obviously underneath the bed, coming in this way, will be storage for all my tools, because I have lots of tools. Right, that's an update. And oh, can you hear the rain? Oh, it's coming down like a good one now. Look at this. Woohoo! It's a storm out there. Check this out. Oh wow, I'm coming in, I'm getting soaked. I love it. Yeah, so that's where we're at the moment, and all the boxes from IKEA, that 1,300 quid I spent, we're eating away from all the boxes. Looks like chaos, doesn't it? But this is work mode. Yeah, so that's where we are at the moment. I will keep you informed.